Hello everyone, Pixel Recording here, and today I have a package. It could be one of two things, actually. I ordered two things. Time of this recording, I may have ordered a new coil, so hopefully those will be back. The videos of the coil will be back, which is cool, because, oh, the box, for whatever this is pretty, is that even a box? No, what is that? I don't know. I think I know what this is by the shape of the thing inside. I found this for £13, I believe, including postage. So that's not a bad deal for something this. I wouldn't say it's. I mean, it's quite rare, but it's not the rarest thing in the world. In the UK, it's moderately rare. You don't find these every day, especially with everything. So that's something at least, right? You don't find these every day. So I looked on eBay and I found one, and I got a best offer on it. So that's cool. And this will be the first video of this on YouTube, so that's fun, I guess. Now, let's get this out. I'm sure everyone is enjoying the packaging noises. I know I am. Because you know what that means? More things for me to record. Yay! And a new test mode for me to find. Come on. It's like wrapped in this stuff and there's stuff underneath. Yeah, I know what this is. Oh, this is going to be cool. Oh no, this is the box, but it's either the box for this or something else. I won't show it just in case it is for something else. I'm not entirely sure, but I'd rather show no box than look like an idiot and show the wrong box. So, because that wouldn't be good for anyone involved. I don't even think this is the right packaging. You know, it'd be easier if I were to just grab something and slice through it. I might do that, because the seller shipped this and packed this quite well, I have to say. So, 10 out of 10 on packaging. I can't get into it. Oh, there we go. Really getting somewhere. This might not even be the... No, this isn't the box. At least... Actually, it might be. Okay, get ready. Here it comes. I'm going to start having to pull things out. I don't know how this will work either, because I haven't seen one of these. I've played with a variant of it. This box is not worth keeping. Okay, here we are. We have some things to look through. So, let's see if I can not be an idiot and guess what these are. Get ready, because it might not work. Okay, this looks like this. Be part of something else. This thing, well, let's see. Does it match this? Wait, how do these work? I don't know. This looks like it could be different, doesn't it? So, this and this wouldn't go. There's a hint of what it is. Let's look at some more pieces. Have this. What is this? Does it match with any of these? Nope. Does it match with this front? No. Okay. Let me just get out all of them. I believe this comes with all of the pieces. I hope it does. I think it does. I checked the listing and it looked like it did. I'm guessing someone by now has guessed what this is, and I'm relatively excited for it, because I have not heard one of these things in a while, or at all, in fact. And finally, here we have Wait, that's not all of them. That's not all the pieces, not unless we have this and this. I don't know. Is that all of them? What if we check in the back in the thing? Ooh, here it is. Here it is. It's got. Here it is. The Leapfrog Fridge Wash and Go Magnetic Vehicle Set. I finally have one, and I believe it is the UK version. There it is. Let me check the packaging again. Oh no, we are missing 2 more pieces. So we might actually have all the pieces. Hey, that would be good. Ready? First test mode finding. In 3, 2, exactly. Come on, Leapfrog, didn't even hide it, did you? I mean, you wouldn't have to hide it, but this box is practically broken. Okay, so what are we gonna do first? Let's put some stuff in here and see what it says. So, these are good buttons up here. And here's that. Okay. So we need to put some things in. I'm guessing this has the same voice as the matchup and the fix the mix. Okay, this looks like the front of a car or a train.
Green train.
Yes, it does. Okay, let's see if we can find the other half of the train. That looks like the car. Maybe that. No, that's not the train. That doesn't go. I'm stupid. That's the fire engine. Maybe that? Would that go? No, that wouldn't go. That wouldn't go. That wouldn't go either. Would this one then? No. Oh, maybe it's this. I think this would.
Green train.
Ooh.
You made a match.
Yay.
Train in the barber wash. Train in the barber wash. Wash off the grime. Time to shine. Train in the barber wash.
Nice, nice. Okay, we have the train.
A train has a whistle. Green train. A train has a guard. All aboard!
Okay. So we've done the train. This is probably going to be an overview as well, since, although I guess we'll look at the test mode after this. This looks like the front of the fire engine. Am I correct?
Red fire engine.
Oh, hello there. Very stock fire engine noise. And here's the back of the fire engine. It goes like this. And you have a fire engine in the bubble wash. Okay, is this going to go fire engine in the bubble? Do you think it's going to have a long pause? Let's see.
A fire engine. Red fire engine.
Here we go.
Fire engine. In the barber wash. Fire engine.
Oh.
In the barber wash. Rinse. Wash. Dirty dirt. Squash. Fire engine. In the barber wash.
Nice. It doesn't go, you made a match, look what you found. You made a match, hear a fire engine sound. It doesn't do that. It's weird, but fair enough.
Red fire engine.
Red fire engine.
A fire engine puts out fires.
Yes, it does. What happens if you press these? Ah. Does anyone remember that? Well, I haven't shown it on this channel, so probably no one does. Oh, the pieces are on the sides. The sensors are on the side there. Interesting. The funniest part of this whole thing is, I have a magnetic part on my desk, so if I really wanted to be that strange, I could be the one person who has the fridge wash and go sitting there on their desk. Because, I mean, this thing looks kind of fun to mess with. Okay, this looks like it could be for the plane. This, oh. I'm gonna get used to what these are. I'm such a fool. Okay, this looks like it could be, it's either the plane or the boat. We might get our first match.
White plane.
Nope, that's not right. That's not a match. Look what I broke. That's not a match.
White plane. Yellow car.
Oh no!
A plain car? You can wash that plane till it's clean. Wash that car, make it gleam. But I'll tell you something that you should know. A plain car, it won't go.
Now I just feel dumb. I did the wrong thing. On camera. I put the wrong thing in. Does that go in? No. Where is the thing I'm looking for? Is it this? No, that's the car.
Blue boat.
No. A plain
plain
boat?
boat?
That's
You put
stupid.
a plane in front, boat behind.
Are these both
Put
matches?
them together and what do you find? A plain boat? That's
Yes.
silly.
Yes, I know. Just call me a dumbass outright. I don't mind. Did we finally make a match?
White plane.
Yes, we did.
You made a match.
Thank you for congratulating me. I needed that.
Plane in the barbel wash. Plane in the barbel wash. Wash off the grime. Time to shine. Plane in the barbel wash.
Yes, thank you. I now know what a plane looks like. It's sort of a propeller
A
plane.
plane flies through the clouds.
A plane flies through the cows. A cow what happens if you put like two of the same thingy? Okay, I think we might have just outright made a match here.
Yellow car.
Car
Yellow car.
and car. I did.
You made a match.
How clever am I? How clever am I?
Car in the barbel wash. Car in the barbel wash. Bye bye dirt. Hello soap squirt. Car in the
Could you
barbel
please
wash.
focus? Yay. The camera is... What is going on with my camera? I apologize for the inconvenience. Go on then, give us a fact about a car.
A car has a horn.
Well, thank you for telling me. Let's see, what else can we do? Are we on the last one? Yes, we are, and it's the boat. You put a boat in front, you put a boat behind. Put them together, and what do you find? Well, funnily enough, you find
Blue boat.
a boat.
Boat in the barbel wash. Boat in the barbel wash. Wash off the grime. Time to shine. Boat in the barbel wash.
This thing is actually pretty cool. For what it is, I like it.
A captain steers a boat.
Okay.
Hey, matey.
That's funny. Okay, now, are we ready for the test mode? Hold the buttons down, and what do you find? A test mode. Oh. Is this a magnet test? No. What's this then? It's a magnet test?
3,
3?
8, 8.
It's got numbers? Why? Why has it got numbers?
7, 9, 8, 9.
Okay, well it's got numbers then. Fair enough. Okay, now what happens if we...
8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9,
And-
8,
And now we hit this and get ready for a lot of sounds.
10. You can wash that till it's clean. Wash that, make it gleam. But I'll tell you something that you should know. It won't go. Car, train, a car, train, plane, a car, plane, fire engine, a car, fire engine, boat, a car, boat, a train, car, a train plane, a train fire engine, a train boat, a plane car, a plane train, a plane fire engine, a plane boat, a fire engine car, a fire engine train, a fire engine plane, a fire engine boat, a boat car, a boat train, a boat plane, a boat fire engine. Bye bye dirt. Hello soap squirt.
Wait, what?
Bye bye dirt.
Why?
Hello soap squirt. Rinse, wash, dirty dirt squash. Wash off the grime. Time to shine. Put her. You put her in front, behind. Put them together and what do you find?
Okay, can we be done with this? Yes, it's an infinite loop. This can't go on forever, can it?
In the bubble wash, in the bubble wash. That's silly. You made a match. Yellow, green, white, red, blue, a car, a plane, a fire engine, a boat, a car has a horn, a driver drives, a train has a whistle, a guard flies through the clouds, a pilot flies, a plane has a siren, puts out fires, a captain steers, a boat splashes through the water. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All aboard! Aye, matey! You can wash that till it's clean. Wash that, make it gleam. But
I'll tell you something you should know. This test mode is really strange.
Car, train.
Car.
Train.
Okay, what happens if I hit this?
Car, plane,
Nothing.
fire
These?
engine.
No, it just exits. Why is my camera being so weird today? I don't know. That is the Wash and Go from 2007. Okay, I am back. Sorry about that interruption there, but like I said, let's do one final match. Let's see, what can we make here? Let's do a boat. And just because, let's do a car boat. That sounds like a perfectly plausible match to me. Oh, maybe doesn't look like a car boat. I don't know what that is. Let's see.
Blue boat, yellow car.
It's a car boat.
A car boat? You can wash that car till it's clean. Wash that boat, make it gleam.
But I'll tell you something that you should know.
A car boat, it won't go.
Hey, it might. So dismissive of ideas. Who knows? I could be over here making the next advancement in car boat technology. What do you know, Leapfrog? I could be making something truly epic, and this toy isn't going to stop me. Because I can put this in front, this behind, and I can make a truly...
Yellow car.
No, that's too normal.
A car has a horn. Yellow car.
Boop, boop. There we go. And let's do this. Can we look at... Let's see. A plane fire engine. Will that work? No. It won't go. I'm gonna make so many edits of this. I know I am.
White plane. Red
A fire engine plane. That sounds perfectly plausible.
A fire engine plane?
Yeah, when you go to...
Fire engine in front, plane behind. Put them together and what do you find? A fire engine plane? That's silly.
No, it's not. It's perfectly plausible. Well, actually, now I think of it, this wouldn't be able to get off of the ground because this would be too heavy. But yeah, there it was. It's a pretty cool toy. I have to say, it's a Leapfrog thing, so it's going to be better than the same old stuff VTech makes every half a day. I mean, VTech, they're not bad, but they just make the same stuff over and over again, which kind of gets a bit boring after a while. I'm just trying to configure these so it makes a fire engine. Yay, I did it. I made a match. Look what I found. I made a match. Hear a fire engine sound.
Red fire engine.
Aren't I clever?
You made a match.
Aren't I clever? Is it going to give me the song?
Fire engine.
In the bubble wash. Fire engine. In the bubble wash. But yeah, there it is. It's pretty cool. I like it.